everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 679 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out these Ardell Fashion Lashes number 62 black, and oh my gosh, these look like my perfect lashes. So here's what they look like. I love that they have that thin, almost invisible band. I love that they're cat eye, meaning they get longer towards the outer ends. And this was actually a very lucky Dollar Tree find because I found these at my Dollar Tree. I rarely see Ardell lashes, and to find lashes that also look so nice, like I just love this style. I am so excited. I feel like Ardell lashes are just so classic, so dependable. I think they may have been the first false lashes I ever tried out, and they last so long too. You can rewear them tons of times. They're made from 100% sterilized human hair. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, so the first step is to check the fit. And I'm gonna be so careful taking this out of the package so that I don't rip that delicate band. And before even putting anything on the lash, I'm just going to place it on my eye and see if I need to trim anything. And yes, I did line one of my eyes and not the other because that's how I've been really enjoying reviewing lashes lately. But since this has a pretty invisible band, it might look really good without any eyeliner. I think this is going to be a perfect length for me as it is, so no need to trim. Next step is to apply some lash glue. It does not come with any lash glue, so I'm just going in with my AOA Studio A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesive. I've been really liking this. It's only $1.88 from Shop Miss A, and I did a review on it recently, so I will have that video linked down below. So you just do a thin layer of the lash glue and then wait 30 seconds for it to get tacky. I'm trying out a little applicator today. No, I just gotta go with my normal technique of applying with my fingers. Okay, so this is the eye without any eyeliner, so it'll be very interesting to see how natural the band actually blends. But honestly, like, this is not as easy to apply as I was hoping for. Even though it's a relatively invisible thin band, it's kind of stiff, so it keeps kind of lifting up and not staying in a curve. I do feel like the glue is fully holding it down. Oh, I love this shape, and I love how long it is, and it's fluttery, but it's not too crazy. I feel like that is super flattering, but okay, you can definitely see the band. And I tried to get it as close to my natural lash line as I could, but I can still see the separation. So I'm thinking that these are going to need eyeliner, which is totally fine because I just did a quick, thin liquid eyeliner line. I used, oh my gosh, lipstick all over my teeth. Are we good? Okay, I used my Focalure liquid eyeliner, which is amazing. I will have that linked down below if you want to see my video on that. Oh wow, I love how these lashes look. They really do feel so comfortable on my eye. They feel very light. Oh, so beautiful. I'm really excited to see how it looks on top of the eyeliner. I haven't even put on my second lash yet, and I'm already like, wow, I really wish I had bought more pairs of these when I found them at the Dollar Tree, because these are my perfect lash and I need more of them. Hopefully I can buy them in bulk online or find them at the Dollar Tree again soon. Okay, there it is. It looks really good on top of the eyeliner. I think the band looks perfectly hidden, super comfortable. These are definitely very long. Like, it looks like I'm wearing false lashes, but I mean, that's the point, really. If I'm wearing false lashes, I want my lashes to look really long and really glamorous, and that definitely happens when I'm wearing these. I love them. I love the shape. I love what they do to my eye. They were easy enough to apply, very comfortable to wear. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. I feel like I can't stop looking at them in the mirror. Like, if I was wearing these out in person, I think these would really catch people's attention, hopefully in a good way. But I feel very confident in them. And honestly, I don't feel that confident in false lashes that easily. They have to look really good, and like, I don't want it to look so obvious like false lashes, but then I still want it to look like I'm wearing bold eyelashes. It's kind of like a hard mix, but these actually make me feel confident in them. They are the type of lashes that I would want to wear every day. So I would really recommend these. I love Ardell lashes, and these are just another version of Ardell lashes that I really, really love. And so affordable. I'd love to know in the comments down below some recommendations that you have for false lashes, because I have been having a little bit of trouble finding my perfect pair of false lashes. I think I found them today, but I would love to get some recommendations for other ones. Lashes, to me, they're not like lip products where I have dozens that I feel comfortable just throwing on anytime. And I'd like to get to that point with lashes, but I think I need to try out some more. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.